1. Tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate power solution, ensuring you never run out of battery again. 2. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times. This colossal 20,000 mAh capacity keeps all your devices powered for days, perfect for travel, camping, or just busy city life. 3. But it's not just about raw power. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device, delivering the fastest possible charge every single time. 4. No more waiting around. Get back to 100% quicker and safer than with standard chargers. 5. Need to charge multiple gadgets? With dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing the juice or keeping both your phone and tablet ready to go. 6. This isn't just another power bank. Its sleek, durable design and premium build quality set it apart from typical bulky alternatives. 7. If you're searching for the best portable charger or top electronics to buy in 2025, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh truly stands out. 8. It's an essential piece of tech for students, travelers, and anyone who demands reliable power on the move. 9. Ready to ditch charging anxiety forever? Click the Amazon link in the description to check out the latest deals and get your own Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh today. 10. For ultimate peace of mind and unparalleled portable power, this Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is my top recommendation for 2025. Emotion, excited and informative. Key product, Anker PowerCore 2000.